Silver Bull was born to make up for deficiencies that the market is presenting. For example, the lack of specialized manpower, the issue in limited productivity, and the difficulty in making an appropriate costing analysis. Over the years, Reco has collected feedbacks and the know-how, with the goal of bringing the most efficient solution. And this is why Silver Bull was born, to respond to a market demand. Reco, thanks to his expertise in this industry, has intercepted the request and decided to answer. This has been possible for many reasons. First of all, because we are insiders of the truck bodybuilder industry. We are long-term partners and suppliers in this market area, and we are present on a daily basis. Three are the main advantages in using Silver Bull. Simplicity. The way that Silver Bull was built makes the assembly a breeze, making it possible for anyone to set it up. No welding or coating is needed, reducing costs for those who assemble it. Speed. With 2 people, it only takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to build the body, and 4 hours in total if you add all the accessories, getting a complete and finished truck ready to use. The advantage here is clearly the extreme increase in productivity. Efficiency. Silver Bull is a system in which the pieces are bound, letting no mistake or waste take place. Moreover, since it has a fitting procedure that is univocal, it makes all costs predictable, both in terms of material and processing. With that, we have presented you the ultimate product on the market. Finished, competitive, and unique. An opportunity not to be missed. Silver Bull, be the fastest bull running.